It's our freshly made bed. There seems to be a lump in it though. Coleman!
What is that?
Coleman!
Does Coleman want a cookie? Does Coleman want a cookie?
Oh my god!
Coleman, what are you doing?
Coleman!
What are you doing?
You want a cookie? Oh, Coleman! Coleman, come on!
You can do it, buddy. You can do it.
Come on!
Okay, I'll let him out. Come here. Come here. Come on. Get out.
Cookies?
Do you want help? Come here.
Cookies! Yay!
Okay, let's go get a cookie.